Well, if you are watching this on the day of this upload or up to a year after it, then I am 42 years old. And this is a wrap up of my first consistent month on YouTube. Back in the day when I started my channel, I think it was 2013, I never was thinking about like schedule, anything about what it meant. I just loved the beauty videos that I was seeing online, and I was like, I want to participate. I have so many opinions and so many loves about makeup and beauty. Like, I want to share them. I have a lot of like harebrained ideas about what I want to do. I just want to share them. And so I did. I did it whenever I felt like it. I was teaching myself editing software. I had nothing really in my mind other than I just wanted to put up videos, and I was kind of geeked when people liked them. I've had so many stops and starts over the course of my career and my creative life. And through the last maybe 14 years, I've always wanted to create YouTube videos. I wanted to be the host of my own show. And I was like, I don't know what the show is about, but I want to try. I tried a lot throughout the years, tried to talk about a lot of different things, and I'm still doing that now. I'm still figuring out exactly what this channel is and the vibes. This January of 2024 was my first consistent month where I posted 4 videos. I didn't post exactly once a week, but I got 4 videos up in the month. And that was my goal. I was like, just get 4 videos up. I think in the past, what made me hold back, was so many things. I was very, very tied to the opinions of people in my life and what they thought about what I was doing. I wanted approval so badly. When I didn't get like 100% crystal clear approval, like every second of the day basically, it didn't feel like I could produce work based on my own ambition and my own desire and my own creativity. It just felt like I needed people to say, yes, great, you're doing a good job, you're doing the right thing. I mean, I still like those things. I still like approval, but I still like those things. I do feel like I'm getting mascara on my contact lens. I've struggled my whole life, basically, feeling like I was too late, like I had missed opportunities. The first time I felt like I was too old, I remember this distinctly. I was 8 years old, and I had a passing thought that was like, you should have stuck with ballet. At 8, I was like, you're too old. To do what? To be a ballerina? I didn't want to be a ballerina. Those classes were hard. You know, I've always wrestled with this idea of having missed the one golden opportunity that I was supposed to get, whatever that means. The more I go through life, the more I realize that that is just not true. I've had so many opportunities and taken advantage of opportunities. I have made many mistakes. Being too old or too late for something has just never proven to be true. It's never been a metric, I guess. This is my second quotes of the video. It's never been a metric that's held any water. It's not even a metric. It's hyperbole. It's exaggeration. I'm going to link a couple of things that I watched very recently, and I was like, oh yeah. One is a video of Jennifer Lopez, and she's basically like, you're here until you're dead, so you might as well do stuff. Yeah, that's really, yeah. I also think that this is really meaningful to me, and that I had a consistent month of creative work, because I spoke about this a little bit in one of my failure or my success videos. I can't remember which one. You know, they all work together. I mentioned that I come from a family of wildly artistic, stylish people, incredible talents and incredible levels of taste. Almost all of them have been embittered about what turns their life have taken and how their creativity has gotten wrapped up in that and what it means to be an artist. It took me a long time to realize that I don't need to keep going back to these precious, beloved members of my family to get their approval. I don't have to go to my coworkers who may or may not be interested in what I'm doing, but are certainly interested in giving their opinion for their approval. I don't need any of that. I'm interested in breaking the cycle of that thinking. I'm curious about what a life could look like in which your creations are working together with all of the rest of your life to make you feel more alive, to increase your life force, you know what I mean? To just make you feel better as opposed to worse. I don't know. I'll just check in with stats at the moment right now because I think it will be interesting to note. I'm keeping track of these things in my Notion planner, and I have no idea how to share that yet. I have no idea how to edit to make one of those videos where I'm sharing that with you yet, but I'll figure it out. If I want to, I'll figure it out. And I haven't decided if I wanted to yet. But as of right now, as of the filming of this video, I have 252 subscribers, 2 of them from the month of January. Hey! And I uploaded 4 videos this month. I did it. I did my goal. My word for January was consistency, and I think that is also what I want for February. I just want to be consistent with my videos. I think it would be really cool if I could get up 5 videos. Should I say that? Let's keep it to 4. Let's keep it to 4. And if I get 5 videos up, then feather in my cap, noodle and macaroni, or however that song goes. Oh, there's my macaroni right there. I also got a really nice email from Ali Abdal, another very popular creator on YouTube, and he talks about productivity. And I just got this email in his newsletter about year 0. Year 0 of the launch of a creative project is really about consistency, and it's when most people quit. I thought it was very interesting and very timely. I'm like, oh yeah, I don't need to set any goals in the stratosphere for myself for this channel. I'm just learning systems and how to keep myself going. I think my biggest challenge this month has been not feeling like filming, like just not. That was the hardest part. So I'm interested in figuring out what systems will help me to stay consistent, especially when I have days or moments where I'm just feeling too down to film, where I'm just feeling too sad to create. I'm interested in seeing what will help me with that. I also watched an episode of Colin and Samir, who do great interviews with content creators about their work, and they were talking to Rhett and Link, more popular people. All these people that I'm talking about are very popular. J-Lo, Rhett and Link, you tell me. They were talking to them about like what made them turn pro, like what were moves that really signaled to them in their heads they're like, we're pros now. And they said keeping to a filming schedule when we didn't feel like filming. I think they had like employees at that point, and so they had a system where they were responsible to other people and for other people. So they had to push through. So I'm like, okay, what are the things that are going to make me push through when I don't feel like I can? I'm just going to put on my lip gloss. But there was a week and a half or so in the month of January where I didn't film at all. I just wasn't feeling it. I had my list of everything that I wanted to film, things that I wanted to film in advance. I just was not feeling it. And one of the things I did is I called a person that I feel very comfortable sharing something like this with. I was like, hey, I'm feeling discouraged because I'm just feeling like it's too late and I'm scared about all the technological advances that are happening in the world and I just feel like I missed my shot and everything. She violently interrupted me and she was like, nope, sorry, what? You're too late? What? No. And just stopped that train of thought. I was spiraling. I knew the person to engage with, and she stopped that train of thought. She helped me get back to like, oh yeah, I'm here to do what I'm doing. And that's it. Maybe this video can be that for you. So that's where we've ended up for this month. I invite you, if there's anything that you were thinking about embarking on, or maybe starting your year 0 on, or month 0 or week 0 on, let me know in the comments. If you want to just say it to someone, you can say it to me. If there's been something that's knocking around in your mind and you're like, I'm too old, it's too late, I can't. Maybe you can. Maybe. Let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next video. Later, skaters.